this is what I got instead. It's basically an Android tablet turned into a car stereo. So my gauges are here, and I have way more gauges, way more gauges now, since it uses the OBD2. But this thing is awesome, because not only is it my new gauges, which I pretty much always have those up, I just turn on my Wi-Fi tethering, and I always have internet on my stereo. So I always just use Google Play. And yeah, this thing's awesome. Less than 300 bucks, and those gauges were like 800 bucks. And a lot of work. So this thing's pretty awesome. I have yet to fix the holes where the gauges were. It's like 30 bucks somewhere. I gotta just get off my butt and go get it. Anyways, that's what I have now.